In June 2021, deep inside Gir National Park in Gujarat, forest officials noticed a young Asiatic lion was struggling to walk properly. He kept bumping into trees, missing his prey, and seemed lost in his own jungle. After observation, it became clear he was slowly going blind due to a severe eye infection. A kind and dedicated wildlife doctor, Dr. Reena Dev, stepped in to save him. With patience, care, and love, she treated the lion at the rescue center. Days passed, and then the lion slowly opened his eyes fully and looked around. For the first time in weeks, he could see the trees, the sky, and the people who helped him. His strength returned, and he was later released back into the forest, free and healthy once again. This story reminds us that even the mightiest need help sometimes. And when help comes with kindness and courage, even a life on the edge can find a new beginning.